I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot, my last shot.
So I got new bars and hard bushings. Anyone that has one of these bikes knows that the handlebars wobble, and usually bushings are like $100. These were 30 by 310 parts. I got Zombie Performance handlebars. This guy custom makes them all. It's a 8-inch bar, but I guess 6-inch rise, 2-inch bar. They don't come with bolts, so you got to go to the hardware store and get 14mm bolts and some lock washers. Probably some blue Loctite, but I'm gonna throw these on. And some people are saying you don't need extended cables. I feel like that's a little sketchy, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so it's the next day. I really didn't get too far. Had to go to work. So let's see if I can get this done now. Okay, so I got the bars on. Everything's kind of loosely on. I got the new washers. Those are the old ones, taking out the rubber. You can see the in there. They're not even snug yet, and there's no wobble. I did not torque anything down, tighten anything up really yet. I don't know about these stock cables. I'm gonna mess around with it a little bit more. The throttle might be alright, but brake line's looking a little skeptical. I'm no expert either, so I'm kind of just, you know, going along with it. But the bars look sweet, so stay tuned for that and see what happens. Okay, so a little update on the cable situation. I bet they would have worked, but I don't know, it seemed a little too tight for me personally. I already took the clutch cable off, but so I went ahead and ordered some cables. I went with the Motion Pro throttle, you know, push and pull cable. And clutch, and the Yamaha OEM extended brake line. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. The Motion Pro cables are 6 inches over stock, so I don't know what that's gonna look like, but there's the update. And then stay tuned until cables come in and a couple more things.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay